Greetings from Holly Hill Health Foods. Today we are featuring Natural Factors All-in-One Immunity Startup Kit. This is a 1-month supply with a daily dose of 4 important formulas. First, we have 2,000 milligrams of time-release vitamin C, which also features 50 milligrams of citrus bioflavonoids. Next, there's 6,000 IU of vitamin D3, which Natural Factors calls the sun vitamin. Thirdly, we have 15 milligrams of the ever-so-important trace mineral zinc citrate and 250 milligrams of the breakthrough technology LipoMicel Matrix Quercetin, which has a superior delivery system for enhanced absorption of the quercetin. These 4 powerhouses of immune health are an ideal solution to support your body during these challenging times. Combined with a healthy diet and best practices of interacting with society, you will be well on your way to a safe and healthy 2021. We are currently featuring the startup kit at 50% off, so stop in our store today or call us at 215-361-7770 to learn more about this very affordable immune startup kit.